Okay, let's begin. First thing you need to do is click on this section here, which is called Stage. Now if you go up here, you've got Scripts tab, Backgrounds tab, and Sounds tab. Click on the Sounds tab. We don't want this sound because we're going to make a fantastic soundtrack, so we don't want that sound, so delete the sound by clicking on the X and then go to Import. Now when you go to Import, you need to go down to the Music Loops folder, Music Loops, and then click OK. Now once you're in the Music Loops folder, I want you to click on Drum Machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth one down, and click OK. Alright, so now we've got our sound. I'll pause until you can do that. Alright, next we need to make that drum machine sound work. So we need to click on this tab, which is Scripts. See the Scripts tab? Click on that. There's nothing there at the moment. That's okay. Now we've got all of these coloured blocks over here. All are different colours, all do different things. And by putting these together in a sequence, that will make fun, cool stuff happen. So I need you to click on the Control, the light orange section, and just drag out the When Flag Clicked block. Put it right at the top. You can put it anywhere you want, but I want you to put it right in the top corner. Then I need you to go down and find this one, which says Broadcast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks down, called Broadcast. Just pop it underneath there. Now in the Broadcast block, we need to click on this little drop down and then click on New, and just type in S-T-A-R-T, S-T-A-R-T, which spells start, and then click OK. So now it says when green flag clicked, broadcast start. So what we're saying is when you click on the green flag, which is over here, you need to broadcast or just say start. And what's going to happen is other scripts are going to receive start and do other things. You'll see about that in a minute. So you've got two blocks. Make sure you snap broadcast in there together. See the white line? Just put it in and let go, and that snaps it in. Now go and grab the forever block, which looks like this. Looks like a dinosaur's head. Grab that, snap it in there. Okay, so you've got three control blocks. I'm going to pause there while you get that sorted. Okay, once you've got when clicked, broadcast, and start, and forever, you need to go to sound, because we want to play that sound in the background. Okay, now we need to play that sound until it goes all the way through. Don't choose this one, which is the first one. We'll just keep playing that over and over again and only do the first little bit. We've got to play sound until done. Snap that into the mouth of the dinosaur, and if you're ready, click on this and you should hear in your background your song play, and then start again and go forever. And once you've heard that, that's great. Click on the red stop sign to stop that sound. So you've just made your first script, and what it does a background tune, the soundtrack for your project. Okay, next thing we're going to do is create our first background. So we click on the background tab, and we've already got one there that's blank. We click edit, and it goes to this paint editor. Okay, first all we do is we go down and choose two colors, and I'll show you how to do that. You click on the first color that you want, and then you click on this little double arrow to switch colors, and you click on the next color that you want, and you can switch them back and forth, but you need two cool colors in there. So choose your two cool colors, switch them around until you're happy. Okay, next you need to click on the paint can, which is a fill tool. Click on the paint can and then you get these 4 options down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to click on the third one. 1, 2, 3. This one here. The third one. Choose the third option and then go out and you'll see your mouse will change to a paint can and click fill, and there you go. There's your cool background. If you accidentally make some errors, just go undo until it fixes it up. If you don't like that, go back, click undo, swap them around, try again. Okay, go ahead and make your gradient fill background and then click OK. Alright, once we've made that background, we're going to do a little script that will make it change colors in a cool way. Okay, this will be the last lesson in this series. Let's see how we go. So then we need to go to scripts. Okay, remember we had this broadcast start. We need to go to control, go down to when I receive start. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's halfway down. Looks like a turtle shell. It's curved at the top. So when I receive start, so that means, you know, I click here at the beginning, it broadcasts start. So when I receive that, I need to make sure that I'm on the right background, because we're going to have quite a few different backgrounds. So we need to go to looks. We need to go switch to background 1. Just drag that out. There's no other ones there. There's only one to choose from. So that's in the looks section. Switch to background 1. Drag that out. Alright, once you've done that, I also need you to go down to 1, 2, 3, 4. Change color effect. Drag that out, but don't snap it into place. Just leave it down here. Click in here and change that to 1. So I'll show you again. Change color effect by, drag it out, don't snap it into place, and change that to 1. Alright, and the last thing we need to do before we do our cool trick is go back to control, pull out the repeat, snap it into place, and then put this section in the dinosaur mouth and click in here and change that to 300, like so. So we've got a control when I received and we chose start, then we've got a looks, switch to background 1, then we've got another control which is repeat, but it says repeat 300. I've changed that by clicking there and typing 300, and then I've also got a change color effect, but instead of 25 I've got a 1. So go ahead and do that. Look up here and for to see what sort of blocks you need. Okay, let's watch to see what happens. So click the green flag. Now look at that crazy background, and you should be able to hear your background music as well. Okay, click stop. So that's pretty cool.